Back up. Let go. You be taking on the ground. Okay, look right here. Here. Look right there. I'm trying to get. It's not meant to be gentle. Watch out. Watch out. What the? Get the off me. Oh, my brother. Look right there. Man, what the? Stop. Stand up. Look, I can't. Stand up. You can get up. Watch out. Watch out. Get going. Handcuffs on, man. Let go. Come here. Let go. Well, get back at your goddamn hands off. Hey. Hey, instruction. Let me go. Stop. I got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to walk.
Move your legs.
No.
Move your legs.
Man, you just scratched the fuck out my face. Man, let me the fuck go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Bro, no, what the let me, bro. Y'all niggas rolling. Get my oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up.
What is y'all doing?
We just saying.
Okay, but they done saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
Hey. He ain't did nothing. He
Get
been
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Damn.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no money.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to be. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's slow. It ain't hard to fix.
Come on, man. We might, but come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me? I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay, time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you, man.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on this.
Outside. I don't care if you wait on you leave. Okay?
Not too much of my sister though.
Let's go.
Tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go. 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 Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
4 Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Never get off me.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name?
I don't got a name.
Listen here, sweetie.
Maury?
Let's not make this harder than what it has to be.
No, I was on the couch
I
the whole
understand,
time.
but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your
My
name?
name's Taylor.
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Just trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your
I'm trying
back.
to get my ball.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Let somebody get this
No, you're not listening to me.
off me. Look, what the f is wrong with you? Let me.
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give a what the f is. Look, I don't give a f. Look, get the f off me. What the fuck wrong with you? Man, nigga, get the f off me.
4 Delta 2, send me a unit 1018. One's wanting to fight with me.
Look, bro.
Go down!
No, you're doing that. Get
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too!
Get down.
Man, y'all, bud, got me up. Nah, man, bro.
Get off of him.
Back off. Let go or you will be taken. On the ground. Okay, look at here. Here. Look at I'm trying to get. It's not meant to be gentle.
Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, what the? LeBron, get the off me! Oh, my brother. LeBron, man, what the? Stop! Stand up. LeBron, I can't. Stand up. It's not
You can get
meant to
up.
be gentle. Watch out! Watch out! He ain't going right out. Handcuffs on, man. Let go.
Come here.
Let go. Well, you man, get your goddamn hands off.
Hey.
Hey, chill out.
Watch out, let me get my phone.
Come here.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Man, get the f off me, car. I don't even move like that. I don't get the phone. My phone is over there.
Come on, Jaquela.
No idea.
You get your phone? We ain't shopping anymore. So you can turn around and leave the store right there.
Phone! Shit!
Hey, where's your phone then?
I'm going to get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
LeBron, I'm not getting in that car. LeBron, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? LeBron, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, LeBron, no, can y'all talk to me first, LeBron? God damn!
If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off! LeBron,
Get in the
You
car.
either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute.
LeBron, wait, you know, listen, please. LeBron, these handcuffs.
Move your leg.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f***? That hurt. My.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right now.
I don't want this handcuff.
You should be in. Go home. Go home.
Good, sir?
Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Webb and Cutter with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the f***, bro? I was leaving.
Huh? He's gonna be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She answered him.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am, you have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go,
fingerprint
boy?
him.
Come on, man. That makes fella.
Oh, where you going?
Oh, God. I'm going to walk with him. Officer over there said we can come over.
Exactly. Ain't y'all
You got
saying
pepper spray out like we got threat, nigga. We just standing.
Walk that
Shit,
way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
Hey, what the f you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep. What
that
the hell?
way.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. What the
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car.
f? Stand
All right?
right up.
All right, turn around, put your hands in your back.
Oh, I'm not, don't touch me.
Nope,
I didn't
turn
do
around, put your hands in your
anything.
back.
Nobody, I ain't God, like what the f? Tighten up. I'm standing here.
No.
You can get out my face. As long as I ain't, whatever the f sounds what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Stand up. If I'm just sitting there playing,
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
what the f I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all sweet.
Y'all not taking both
Go,
of
buddy.
them.
Sweet dog, but I didn't touch not a damn person.
I didn't even do
I'm not gonna do a step on my phone.
phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean? I didn't touch no.
Bro, that's family, man.
Do you want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back.
Didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting here.
No, y'all tweet.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Man. In the car. Bro, I can get in my soul, man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Move your legs.
And you just scratched the out my face. Man, let me the go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Man, no one. Let me, bro. Y'all niggas rolling. You my
Got it.
oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, car. Don't touch my. I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. No, I don't give a fuck that.
Huh?
Man, I'm
You're under arrest.
Get in the car. Take the take the badges off, cuz.
Now, as parents, we have to remember to discipline our children. It's not the duty of law enforcement. Hey everyone, I'm John. I appreciate you watching. Now, when dealing with juveniles as a police officer, it can be extremely difficult because even though they may be